Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. In this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, first of all I have to explain you, if you are looking for a longer view, we can see a longer view is on the positive side. Okay, because there is a clear pattern formings, as well as the Israel war is there, and anything such happens when then you will see the people started shifting towards gold and silver, and we can see a trend is also supporting it, and otherwise also it is going upside. Overall trend is high and the trend is there, probability is high, it can cross a level of 2071 and can go further upside. Remember, after it moves above this level, keep trailing your SL, and then a booking profit can come at any time. The first thing. Second thing is that this is a 2-year pattern we have seen. This is an 8-month pattern, and now what will happen, that if it started sustaining above $2,000, chances of very high it will cross a level of $2078 and can go towards 2085, and then a level of 2100 also we can see. Okay, this is the level. If you look at this particular overall trend after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, this continuous upside, what it was creating a pattern, what this pattern was saying, that this particular pattern was created, and this is the level where a profit booking has come. Okay, from 2012 to 2020, that is a 8-month pattern we have seen. The similar pattern we have seen in this also. Okay, so now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous upside, and this upside we have seen since 1810 to a level of around $22,009 we have seen. Okay, and chances are very high, if you look at a day wise chart, there is a higher chances it can go further upside. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards a level of around $1998, and if that level goes further high, then there is a higher chances of going towards a level of $2006. Okay, then it will be above a level of $2000. Chances are high if it moves above a level of $2006, then a probability of touching a level of 2010 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout. As soon as there will be a zone breakout, we can see it will go towards a level of 2017. Okay, and then the next support resistance coming at a level of 2021. After 2017, we can see a level of 2021 which is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross that level and can go towards a level of 2029. Once started sustaining of 2029, chances are high it will cross a level of 2032, and then a probability of going towards 2040 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 2051. Okay, these are the level. Once started moving above 2051, then a further upside we can see in the price of gold, and you can see a further upside and it can cross this particular level. Okay, now as I have to explain you, you have to remember something. Overall trend is upside, but if you look at the volatility, it's volatility is led because the war situation is there. Okay, otherwise if you look at this, volatility is high compared to this volatility. Okay, so when the volatility is high or low, always reduce or increase your quantity as per that. This is what I teach also in my workshop. Suppose the volatility is high, okay, double this volatility, so what you can do, reduce the quantity to buy, increase your SL and target by twice. Okay, then your chances of hitting target is more rather than hitting your SL. Chances of hitting target will be more compared to SL. Okay, this is what you have to understand. But as I have already explained you, market is uncertain. Always try to set your SL, it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain because market is uncertain, so what we can see, it can come down again towards a level of around $1992. Okay, and if it moves below this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1988. After 1992, we can see a level of $1988, and once it started moving below this particular level, a chances of touching 1984. Okay, these are the strong supports I'm talking about. Once started moving below 1984, then a probability of moving further down we can see, and then chance of touching 1979 we can see, and then to a level of $1973. Okay, once the price started moving below 1973, a probability of going further down we can see, and then chances of going towards 1968 to a level of $1960. Okay, once the price started moving below 1968 to a level of 1960, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $1953. Okay, as soon as started falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. Okay, so you have to remember, as soon as started moving out of a zone, a further fall we can see. So once started falling below 1953, a chances of going towards 1948 we can see, and then to a level of 1938. After 1946, a probability of touching 1938 will be there after crossing a level of 1936. Okay, so once started moving below this level, then we can see there will be a zone breakout, and chances of going further fall we can see in the price of gold, and then you can see a probability of that it can go towards 1929 and to a level of 1917. After 1929 we can see a level of 1917, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, so now understand, if you are trading with 10k dollars, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, suppose if you took 5 trades also, you will and set a limit of your stop loss, that is 0 to 1%, 0.5 to 1%, that will come to 50 to 100. Okay, then 100 per trade will be there, so maximum loss you can do is $500. Okay, this will not affect your psychology, and you can trade the next day with a good okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.